Commercial lease disputes can put your entire business at risk, your location, your income, and your future. Whether you're a tenant or a landlord, disputes over rent, repairs, lease terms, termination, or breaches can quickly spiral into costly, stressful legal battles that disrupt your business operations and cash flow. A common misconception is that lease terms are non-negotiable or that legal action is too expensive. Others assume that landlords always have the upper hand. In reality, many disputes can be resolved strategically, but only if handled correctly. Without proper legal guidance, businesses often make decisions that weaken their position, limit their options, or expose them to unnecessary risk. Early legal advice can mean the difference between resolution and financial damage. At Stonegate Legal, we specialize in providing clear advice and practical strategies focused on outcomes, not confusion, giving you the clarity, professionalism, and results you deserve. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of commercial lease dispute professionals, and let us help you protect your rights.